Now remember, we want to sew all the way out to the edge of that seam allowance. It's going to feel tempting to just go right along the line, and you have to imagine there's an imaginary dotted line that we are following through that first 1/4 inch and through the last 1/4 inch. You're going to appreciate having done this when we get to putting all of the sections together. So foundation paper piecing was actually the first time that I could get guaranteed gorgeous pointy points every single time. For those of you who have attended one of my lectures, you've seen my first quilt, and so you know what an achievement it was to start getting pointy points. I am always amazed when out on Instagram or Reddit I see beginning quilters tackling flying geese blocks, and I didn't even come close to those types of blocks until much later in my quilting adventure. So now we have the top of our stocking, we have the jolly bottom of our stocking, and last up we need to make the middle, and then we'll put all of the sections together. Okay, I've got the 3 sections all ready to go. I do still have the paper on the back. Now, there's apparently a debate in the quilting community. Do you take the paper off at this point, or do you wait until the very end? I've done it both ways. For this example, I am going to leave it on until the very end. And don't worry if you see things like this, because remember, we're going to have a 1/4 inch taken up on this side, a 1/4 inch taken up on this side, and it should just nicely meet where it's supposed to. So I'm going to start with this one. And the nice thing about leaving the paper on, especially if you trimmed it with precision, is that you've got that clear 1/4 inch line that you can follow right along with. So I'll do that now, and then we'll take a look at what it looks like.